Oke, kembali lagi kita akan review. Sebenarnya sih sekalian unboxing juga untuk printer HP Officejet 7740. Ini printer A3 fitur paling lengkap, harga paling murah. Spesifikasinya itu bisa print A3, scan copy A3, duplex A3, borderless A3, USB, Ethernet, wireless, dan ADF 35 halaman. Modelnya seperti ini. Kita juga bisa lihat di sini ada dual paper tray. Jadi paper tray-nya ini bisa sampai dengan 500 halaman. Jadi kita nggak perlu sering-sering ganti atau reload kertas ke dalamnya. Oke, sekarang kita akan masuk ke unboxing dan setup printer. Buat yang baru pertama kali beli, belum tahu gimana cara pasang cartridge atau isi kertasnya dan juga test printnya, teman-teman bisa langsung lihat video YouTube-nya. Ntar kita akan kasih video YouTube-nya. Oke, silakan diperiksa.
This video is going to show unboxing and setting up the HP Officejet Pro 7740 wide format printer. Because of the size of this printer, HP recommends setting the printer on the ground or a large, sturdy table. First, break the tape to open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Read Iris Pro installation disc. Read Iris Pro is optical character recognition software. This software will convert written text into documents that can be edited on your computer. Next, you'll find the installation CD for both Windows and Mac. If in the future you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com/OJ7740. The next item is the setup poster, which is the basic setup instructions for your printer, similar to what we are showing in this video. Next is the HP ink cartridge caution flyer, which warns of ink consumption. The last document in the box is the Get Started Guide for your printer. This provides information on setting up additional features for your printer, such as fax and web services. Next in the box, you will find the complete set of setup cartridges. These cartridges are required for initially setting up your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from the store cannot be used for the setup. This is a 2-wire phone cable for setting up your fax line. Then the power cord. With the assistance of a second person, remove the styrofoam end caps. Using the handles, lift the printer out of the box. Remove the printer from the bag. Next, we will remove all of the visible blue tape and clear protective plastic from around the printer. Go to the back of the printer and continue removing the blue tape. Verify there are no packing materials inside the rear of the printer. Return to the front of the printer and open the scanner lid. Slide out tray 1 and remove the tape and cardboard support. Slide in tray 1. Slide out tray 2 and remove the tape and cardboard support. Slide in tray 2. Now, let's connect the power cord. Go to the back of the printer. Remove the twist tie from the power cord and plug it into the rear of the printer. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. The printer will begin initializing and make some noise. From the printer control panel, you will have to choose your language. Select your language and then touch Confirm. Then select your country or region and touch Confirm. Set the date and touch Continue. Then set the time and touch Continue. Touch Continue Setup. Now we are going to install the cartridges that came with the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Then grab the bundled cartridges. The order of the cartridges in the bundle might not match the order in which they are installed in the carriage. Make sure to match the color and letter on the cartridge to the color and letter on the carriage. Starting with the black cartridge, insert it into the corresponding slot in the printhead. You'll have to push it until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the yellow. Then the magenta. And lastly, the cyan. Close the ink cartridge access door. The printer will check the cartridges and then prompt you to load paper. Slide out tray 1. Fan a stack of unused plain white paper. Load the paper short side first into the tray. If necessary, rotate the input tray cover. Adjust the paper length guide until it touches the edge of the paper. Adjust the paper width guides, then rotate the input tray cover back to its original position. Slide in paper tray 1. Pull out the output tray extender. The printer will align the printhead and print out a page. Once the alignment page prints, you can remove it and recycle the page. An alignment successful message displays on the control panel. Touch OK. Select your connection method or touch Connect Later. Touch Install automatically to receive printer updates as they are released. Touch Continue. Select where your printer will be used and for what purpose. Touch Confirm to verify your selection. At this point, finish setup online at 123.hp.com/OJ7740. To load oversized or A3 paper, slide out tray 2. Rotate the input tray cover. Squeeze the blue tray extender release and extend the tray. Fan a stack of A3 paper and load the paper, short side first, into the tray. Adjust the paper length guide until it touches the edge of the paper. Adjust the paper width guides, then rotate the input tray cover back to its original position. Slide in tray 2. With the tray extended, it will not slide all the way into the printer.
Oke, semoga informasinya berguna. Terima kasih. Silakan dicoba.